Welcome to the Cairnmillar Institute. We are a not-for-profit organisation and registered charity, first established in 1961, and are dedicated to psychology, counselling and psychotherapy education, treatment and research. We're proud of our unique campus and are excited to share it with you. Located in Hawthorn East, the Institute moved to our new campus in 2018, where we offer our accredited higher education, university equivalent, postgraduate courses, as well as clinical services to the community. Cairnmillar is located 500 metres from Monash Freeway via the Toorak Road exit. Tooronga train station is also 400 metres away, and we're a short walk from major bus and tram routes. Many car park spaces are also available on site for free. We'll start our tour on the ground floor, which is dedicated to our School of Higher Education, while upstairs our first floor houses our psychology clinic. To our left and past reception is access to the student hub, library and teaching spaces. This is our student hub. The kitchenette is available to students whenever the campus is open. We provide free coffee, tea, sugar and a variety of milk for all students, as well as fridges, microwaves and an espresso coffee pod machine. There is a semi-private computer room with both campus computers and open workstations to use or charge your own device. Students can also book private meeting rooms and make the most of our courtyard whenever the sun is out. Our courtyard is one of our connections to our history. All of the plants in the courtyard came from our former historic campus on Toorak Road in Camberwell, with some of the plants being older than many of our students. The courtyard also features a barbecue where staff and students celebrate the start and end of semester. Our library focuses on the needs of our counselling, psychotherapy and psychology students and staff. It has an exceptional range of materials to support our curriculum, as well as some amazing books including the minutes of Freud's first psychology meeting in Vienna. Just under half of our physical collection is available on the shelves, with the rest of the historical collection available on request. In addition to the books, journals and test library, we also have a wide range of electronic resources, including psychology-specific databases, journals and e-resources for students. The Student Placement Collection is a highlight of the library and is currently on display. These assist students while on placement to understand complex psychological issues with children, adolescents and the aged. This is Teaching Room 1, our largest teaching space. With no student cohort over 40 students, this space accommodates even our largest classes comfortably. Teaching Room 2 is a flexi space which can be adjusted for practical teaching, including group therapy dynamics one day or psych assessment practice on another. Teaching Room 3 is located at the back of our campus and is best for more traditional seminar-style teaching. Teaching Room 5 is also our computer lab. Laptops are provided for classes with relevant office, statistical and data analysis software already installed. Students also receive a free Office 365 account when they are enrolled with us and can download many required programs to a personal device through this access. We never stop learning at Cairnmillar. Teaching Room 4A and 4B and our conference room are home to the many personal and professional development opportunities which are available to the Cairnmillar community and beyond. This is where our registered psychologists and counsellors provide sessions supporting children, young people, adults, older adults, couples and families. Provisional psychologists and students may also have placements in the low-cost community clinic here. This is our large group room. This space can be used for educational and group therapy sessions, as well as family therapy and play therapy sessions. Thank you for joining us on our virtual tour of the Cairnmillar Institute. We hope to see you on campus soon.